You think you know peacocks? That stunning display you call a tail isn't a tail at all. It's a train of incredibly long covert feathers. The real tail is much smaller, hidden underneath, steering the bird. And don't be fooled by their size. These birds can fly, often roosting in high trees to escape predators. The most captivating secret? The ghostly white peacock? It's not an albino, but has a rare genetic mutation called leucism. So next time you see one, you'll know the beautiful truth hidden in plain sight.